Hi everyone, I'm Shazia. As I mentioned in my previous video, I found a place where I can, where a place to rent in Brampton, and I'm in the process of setting up the house. Though right now I'm still ordering fruit from outside. I did get a full-time job and I'm very happy. I'm doing it from home. The training is from home because of COVID. In the process of setting up home, I got some stuff for kitchen and the dinnerware, because all this obviously I didn't really get it from India, because first it's gonna add to your luggage, second I was not fully prepared. So this is a set of 12. This is a dinnerware set of 12 pieces. So what I'm gonna have in this is bowls, small plates and dinner plates. So let's see. And I also got a small blender. This was about $29 or $26, the whole set, which is very cheap from Walmart. Wherein this one was also from Walmart, but this was around $15 or $13, which was pretty good for me to be able to blend stuff. And there's like the other one, the dry grinder. I am gonna pick that one too. That is also the same range, $13 or something. So let's see, this was 15 change and that was 13, I guess. So let me take this out. I'm hoping the color should be nice because it says nice. Bad. So these are bowls and pretty big bowls. See, and I like it. Then you have the packing, more packing, and two more bowls. To be frank, I'm not gonna take those two out because two is enough. And then I have one more box, and in this box I'm guessing it's gonna be all what do we call it? I'm still in the process of setting up my kitchen too. It's a very old house and I had to do a lot of cleaning. and I'm okay with that because this is a walkout basement, and I was looking for a walkout basement because there'll be some sunlight. So that was something that I was looking for. And here you go. So I'm just gonna take. It's very nicely packed. I won't need all of them, so I'm gonna take 1/4 plate and two. Oh, it's two different designs, is it? No, the bowl is the same, but the plates are two different designs. Didn't really like that, but that's okay. Then I'm gonna take the dinner plate out. That's gonna be one dinner plate and two dinner plates. And then I'm gonna just very loud. Oh my god, seriously, all the three plates are different. all the 3-4 plates are different. Didn't like it. This is not nice. I cannot make it as a set. So the reason I took a set is I don't want a weird combination. There's like you can also take plates and quarter plates, like single pieces from dollar store or even from Walmart, but again you will not find matching bowls and the quarter plates and stuff, and this is not nice. Anyways, this is disappointing, but that's okay. So I'm gonna have the lighter color quarter plates out, and that's gonna be the set, right? So that's gonna be the dinner set. If you see, I bought a knife out from the kitchen. Yeah. So for cutlery, again, the set for like 6 people is around $19 or $20 or $15 also. You have different ranges in there, but I took the single pieces because I don't need 6 of them. I just took one, like, for $1 you'll get like 3 of these, and then you also have qualities in this. For $3 you have like 2 knives, $3 2 spoons, $3 3 forks, but the quality is very good of those. I took the very basic one, $1, and you get 3 knives, and $1 you get 3 forks, and for $1 you get 3 spoons. So I took 2 sets of spoons, like 6 spoons, and 2, like 3 forks and 3 knives, because I don't need a lot of butter knives and all. I'm like pure Indian, and I do pretty much everything with the spoon. Alright, so this is gonna go back. I'm gonna keep this packed because I would need this. This is good. Let's see. Oh wow, I forgot to mention about this one. I'm really excited about this. If you see, the price is $2.50, but this is before tax. And this is gonna be the blender.